After spending 5 days in Hanoi, I finally made my way to Sapa. The bus was scheduled to leave Hanoi at 11:30, so I went ahead and waited there about an hour before. When you arrive there, you gotta check in with the stuff with your name and make sure you're on the list. And bus came exact on time, so yay! It was my very first time using the sleeper bus, so I was super excited but nervous at the same time. Inside the bus was super clean, which I wasn't expecting, and surprised. They had a strict no shoes inside policy, and as an Asian girl, I loved it so much. No shoes inside, the best feeling, you know? So we had made few stops for the bathroom breaks, but I didn't get out at all. I just slept the whole journey because I was on the upper cabin, right? And the motion sickness was there to kill me. It was horrible. So I took a medicine, and after the medicine kicked in, I was all good. But till then, it was really bad. So I had to sleep and forget about it, you know. So yeah, I learned it. Second time I used the sleeper bus, I did choose a lower cabin, and it was better, so much better. So, oh, by the way, yeah, they had this massage chair, but it was not working at all, so I did not use it. We got to Sapa around 6 a.m., waited there about 30 minutes at the office. 4 hour drivers to take us to each hostels. They're gonna ask your name and your accommodation's name, so you just have to wait there till, it's your turn. First thing I did after I got to my hostel was to get a breakfast. They offered easy but nice and warm breakfast. So I read my favorite book and basically spent the entire morning listening to the sound of rain because it was raining, you know. It was nice and chill and relaxing, and I loved it. It's raining. I didn't know Sapa would be this cold because it's really cold. Right now it's 16 degrees and Hanoi was like 25, so it's really cold in here, and this is the only long sleeves that I have. So, hi! Okay. It's very quiet. Oh, there's Starbucks. I came all the way from Hanoi, and this is the view I get. Really bad. You basically cannot see anything, and it's raining, so it's really bad. Look at this. So I was going down to see a cat village, but I gave up. Not today. I'm going back to where I came from, but then it will take me like 45 minutes. Sad. Really sad. Hello again. I was gonna go to the song world, but then lady told me I shouldn't. She said it's not worth it because it's raining, it's foggy, you can't see anything. And she was like, I don't think it's worth it. I was like, okay. It's like 1,007,000, which is around $70. So it's quite expensive. So yeah, that's why. I'm glad she told me because it is such a bad weather right now. So hi everyone. Today I did book this really interesting hostels. I don't usually do this. I need a privacy, but today it's different. Let me show you. Okay, this is the entrance, and as you can see, there's no bunk beds, there's no curtain, there's no anything, and you can choose whichever. So I choose this obvious reasons. Those two are the only one. It's not on the floor. But yeah, look at this. This is the dorm. There's nothing else. I chose this. And then back here, oh, it gets worse. Trust me, it gets worse. The bathroom. The toilet. And the shower right there. Yeah. Like that. So yeah, it's quite budget friendly, but it's not the best dorm I've ever stayed at. I think this is the worst one, but I knew this is what I'm getting because you get what you paid for, right? And this is something I got. I knew, but this is quite shocking. Wow. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna take a shower tonight because I'm not sweating at all. Oh my god, it's really bad. It's really bad. Trust me, I don't usually do this, but I thought it's gonna be fun. And I only see 2 other travelers, so I guess it's because it's an off season at the moment. But yeah, this is crazy, like literally. No privacy at all. And it's a mixed dorm, so I need to change right here in front of everyone, which I don't mind actually. But yeah, free breakfast, and it was, I need to check how much was it, but the bathroom and the shower that I don't like, that I can't do it, so I'm not gonna take a shower tonight. I am leaving day after tomorrow. Maybe I need to take a shower tomorrow. But yeah, this is crazy. This is insane. Yeah, it's peaceful. It's peaceful and quiet, which I like. So I think that'll be fun. Yeah, it's raining outside. I got nothing to do, so I'm just gonna sit here, do nothing, laying down, maybe edit my videos or something like that. Good morning. It is day 2 in Sapa. The weather is really nice. It's not the best weather at all, but it's better than yesterday, definitely. And then today I am planning on going to a spa. There's a spa that you can stay for whole day for like $20. So I'm thinking of doing that. And I was trying to book a bus from here to Hanoi and Hanoi to Da Nang because after this I'm planning on going to Da Nang. So I was looking for the flight, no, the bus. My brain is not working at the moment. And yeah, it's a bit complicated because I can technically go to Da Nang from Sapa here, but it's gonna cost you like it's gonna take you like 22 hours and I don't want to do that. So I'm thinking I'm going to Hanoi first, 6 hours, take a break over there, 10 hours, and take another one to Da Nang from there for 14 hours, which is a long journey still, but I think I need a break between. And I feel really sick today. This morning I feel really sick, so hopefully you get better by the time I leave. But yeah, if I don't feel better in any way, I think I'm just gonna take a flight. I cannot cancel the bus, so it's gonna be a double priced, and then I'll lose some money. But I think I want to prioritize my health first than anything else. So yeah, just craving something sweet, so I got this. Now I'm happy. So I came to this roller coaster thing that is really famous in Sapa. The line was really long, but it went by so fast, like you don't have to worry about it. And then you can choose if you want to do once or twice. I originally wanted to do just once, but then the guy told me the one time is really short and you get discount for the second ticket anyway. So I just bought two and I got the discount for the second one. And then I came to a different location where the famous statue is at. And you need to pay a certain amount of money. I forgot how much it was. But you get free drinks and the entrance ticket. Wow! Look at this.
It is pretty. Yeah.